Hippopotamus. This giant can open its mouth 150 degrees, making it the king of yawns, warning to rivals. Next, the king of the jungle, the lion. A lion's yawn isn't just about waking up. It helps them take in more oxygen before a big hunt. And of course it looks majestic. Bears yawn when waking up from hibernation, stretching their powerful jaws before they roam the wild again. And here's man's best friend. Dogs yawn not just when they're tired, but also when they're feeling stressed or excited, a natural way to calm themselves. Last but not least, the most unexpected yawner, the snake. It stretches its jaw after eating a big meal, making sure it's ready for the next hunt.